How to change Trust Wallet recovery fees. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change Trust Wallet recovery fees. So if you wish to change your Trust Wallet recovery fees, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up your application, and when you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. So here you just have to go ahead and click on add existing wallet if you're not logged in. If you're already logged in, you would go to settings and then press on secret fees. So then go ahead and press the secret fees button and then click on multi-coin. Here you have to go ahead and paste in the fees that is your current fees, but then you can see under it there's no such option as recover or reset whatever. So that means you'll not be able to make changes with the Trust Wallet recovery fees, and it is concerned regarding the privacy and safety of the users. So unfortunately, there is no such way to recover your fees. Once you've lost it, it means that you'll not be able to recover it. However, if you wish to go ahead and give it a try, you can contact the customer support team, let them know about it, and then you should be able to get some certain alternative method in order to log in. So that is how you can change Trust Wallet recovery fees. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.